Welcome to the Android Accessibility Features course provided by Seaway. During this course, you will learn how to make text appear larger on the screen, use your phone's camera flash for notifications, use your phone's camera as a magnifier, and how to use dictation feature to convert voice to text. In this course, you will learn about some many accessibility features that are available on your Android phone. This is especially useful if you experience low vision, are hard of hearing, or have trouble touching the screen. The first topic we will cover is how to make the text appear larger on your mobile. Your phone's accessibility features are controlled from the Settings app. From the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view all the apps. The Settings app looks like a grey cogwheel. Tap on it to open the Settings app. Now scroll down until you find the display. Then tap on it to display the options. Scroll down the page until you find font size and style. Tap on this to open a new screen where you'll be able to make the text bigger. Here you'll be able to adjust the size of your phone text. Drag the font size slider to the right to make all the text on the screen larger, or drag it to the left to make it smaller. When you're happy with the font size, take your finger off the slider to set the size. Tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen to return to the display screen, then once more to return to the main settings screen.